Okay, this is Clement. You understand. So today, we are all celebrating the birth of what Jesus Christ, and today being 25th of December, I would like to sing a Christmas song to everybody. Singing a Christmas song to everybody. And this song is what is the French version of "Joy to the World." Oh, sorry. This is French version of that song. So I want you to relax and enjoy this song for yourself. Penticula noir, la boule boule touche. Boule, 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 what? Penticula tush hudio, penticula fush hudio, boule boule tush, boule boule fush, butush, oh butush, oh bufush, oh butush. Kalamatush, kalamafush, penticula noir, les bazons, kalamazon, boule boule tush, what? Kalamatush, kalamafush, penticula noir, les bazons, kalamazon, boule boule tush, penticula noir, penticula tush. Penticula fish, la fish, la fish, what? Penticula noir, penticula fish, penticula fish, la fish, la fish, what? Calamafish, calamafish, penticula noir. Les bazons, calamazon, a bully, bully, fish, what? A calamafish, calamafish, penticula noir. Les bazons, calamazon, bully, bully, fish. So I wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. You understand?